This brand has been sharing secrets to help you find love. You don't need to be black or white. Your look doesn't matter. All you need to have is just a fresh breath. That is the brand position of the Closeup toothpaste, and so many people loved it. Almost every home in Africa used the Closeup toothpaste. They dominated the market. They had die-hard fans. Not until 2011 when one brand came into the market to threaten their position. This video will show you how to penetrate a market that has a strong leader and win. In 1965, Closeup was introduced as the first gel toothpaste. 10 years after the launch, they came into Africa and dominated the market as the best toothpaste. They had the first mover advantage that helped them build strong customer loyalty. They sold massively by creating an emotional connection in the mind of their audience. And one more thing, they created strong emotional ads.
And a beautiful white smile. Closeup, Nigeria's #1 selling toothpaste, now in a new look.
This advert created strong emotional bond of love and confidence among people, and people liking brushing their teeth to building strong confidence. But in 2011, something happened that changed the whole scene of Closeup as that family brand people love. Apart from being confident and having a lovable lifestyle, toothpaste users have a lot of questions that needed to be solved. So Oral-B entered into the market as the #1 health solution in the toothpaste industry. This was a good positioning strategy, and it became a success because it was perceived as the healthy choice and it offered them a greater advantage. They ran educational ads with dentists, and gradually they won people's trust.
That's what your mouth deserves. Oral-B Pro Health All-Round Protection. It protects you against bacteria, plaque, and gum problems.
In 2018, survey shows that Oral-B controls around 34% of the market share, while Closeup controls around 39% of that same market share, with other brands sharing the remaining 27%. Just like Coca-Cola that positioned its products as the thirst-quenching and refreshing brand, Pepsi positioned itself as the brand that promotes youth energy. This comes to show you that your brand can get into the minds of your potential customers when you have the right brand positioning strategy that focuses on a unique differentiation. With this, you can conquer new markets and build a global brand.